So, ladies, you want to know how to make your detox water? Let me show you. I have a 3-liter gallon bottle of water that I actually filled up because I've already drunk from this before. So I filled it up with water, and I am going to also include lemons. See these lemons right here? I've already chopped them up, squeezed the juice out of them, and I'm going to place them inside of my water jug. I'm also going to use apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, organic apple cider vinegar, not the white vinegar, but the organic vinegar that is brown. And I'm also going to incorporate some other goodies, so stay tuned. Lime is also good to make your water alkaline as well. You know, you hear people talk about alkalinity a lot. Whenever it's cold, not cold, whenever it's warm and hot outside, particularly during the summer months, you want to stay hydrated, and I cannot stress that enough. A lot of people don't like drinking water because they say it tastes bland, but you gotta spice it up, and literally spice it up. You can add cinnamon to your water. You can add cayenne pepper to your water. Whatever floats your boat, just do it. But in this video, I'm just showing you what I do to stay hydrated. So I'm going to use this lemon right here. Make sure you guys wash the outer layers of your fruit, because there's a waxy substance that has been placed on the fruit that you do not want to consume. You want to thoroughly wash the outside with baking soda and water, or vinegar and water, soap water, if you want to consume or put this in your water. Okay, so if you're going to be letting this sit and soak up in your water, you want to make sure that you actually cleanse it very good. Okay, and I'm going to also include this apple cider vinegar here. Again, it's the apple cider organic version with the mother in it. And the mother, ladies and gentlemen, is nothing more than just your enzymes and your nutrients that the apple cider vinegar is going to provide. This will actually help you with detoxing. It keeps you from feeling bloated during the summer months. Remember, hydration is the key. And with temperatures across the country being in the triple digits, like 100+ degrees, you've got to stay hydrated. You've got to cool yourself down. You've got to replace those electrolytes that are releasing from your body. So again, you want to incorporate something like pink Himalayan salt. Okay, not table salt, pink Himalayan salt. All right, ladies. So let me know what you do to incorporate drinking water and staying hydrated. And speaking of that juice that slipped up in there, I also juice a lot during the summer months as well. You can check out some of my other videos where I talk about this. For instance, I have this pineapple here that's been on my counter for 2 or 3 days now, and let me tell you how you can determine if your pineapple is good. If you can actually take the top off and you can pluck it. Now, since I'm holding my camera with one hand, it's a little hard to do, but if you pull this up, and it's very easy to do, that's a ripe pineapple. But this pineapple needs to go ahead and get cut. You can also include things like your sour apples. I call them sour, but your green apples. And you can also juice watermelon. This particular watermelon is, oh, it's so delicious. It's from South Carolina. I was at an event yesterday, and these guys were selling juicy, seeded watermelon. I posted a video last year, and so many people were attracted to that video because I actually showed how to juice watermelon. More on that too. Watermelon is delicious. Fellas, if you're listening to this, you need to juice watermelon. It's good for your vitality. It's also good for reducing your likelihood of developing prostate cancer. If you're having trouble urinating, check this out. Watermelon is good for that, okay? Ladies, if you have a man in your life that you care about, get him to juice watermelons, okay? But anyway, I'll do that on a separate video, because this was supposed to be about staying hydrated for the winter. I keep saying winter. I guess because I want it to be cold, but staying hydrated during the summer months. These are the other things that I add to it as well, to the water, along with turmeric. And in this particular brand here, this Sun Food brand, you can see what it has in it, okay? And ladies, I'm telling you, when you drink this, it's going to be so good. Now, although you may say, It tastes bland. You know what? If you want to add some honey to it to give you a little sweetness, you can. Agave, that's fine as well. But I just say if you're trying to detox away from sugar, you don't want to necessarily taste, incorporate honey. But whatever floats your boat, do it. And this is my finished product of my detox water. I'm going to call it my Soul Sister Detox Water. Yeah, Soul Sister Detox Water. All right, ladies, and trust me, you do this, you will have some energy during your workout sessions, during your running sessions, and just overall having energy when you get up in the mornings and, and being prepared for the day. So drink up.